Deep underground, buried beneath layers of rock and dirt, lies a special kind of stone called coal. This stone has been a crucial part of human history, providing energy and shaping industries for centuries. Before we dig in, please remember to check out our website for some amazing mining artifacts. Coal isn't shiny like diamonds or hard like granite. Instead, it has a dull, matte appearance that might not catch your eye at first glance. It's black, lumpy, and looks a bit like a rock, but it holds a secret. Coal can burn. This burning property makes it incredibly valuable as a source of energy. Coal formed millions of years ago from ancient plants and trees. These plants thrived in prehistoric times, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth. Imagine a time when giant ferns and massive trees covered the earth. These dense forests were teeming with life and were the beginning of coal's long journey. When these plants died, they fell into swampy waters. Over time, they began to decay, creating thick layers of plant material. Over many years, layers of mud and sand piled on top, squashing the plant matter. This process took thousands of years, with each layer adding more pressure. The pressure and heat transformed the plants into the coal we dig up today. This transformation is a testament to the incredible forces of nature at work beneath the Earth's surface. We find coal in many places around the world, often in places that were once swampy forests. These regions are now rich in coal deposits waiting to be mined. Digging deep into the earth, miners extract this valuable fuel source. The work is tough and dangerous, but it provides the energy needed to power our homes and industries. Coal fueled our past, and understanding its story helps us appreciate how energy has shaped our world. From powering steam engines to generating electricity, coal has played a pivotal role in human progress. Imagine traveling back in time to the Victorian era, a time when Queen Victoria ruled England. Her reign marked a period of immense change and progress. It was a time of great invention and discovery, and coal was at the heart of it all. Coal mining was a booming industry, with thousands of workers toiling underground. Homes were heated with coal, filling the air with smoke and a slightly sulphurous smell. The sight of chimneys puffing out smoke was a common one. Families huddled around warm fireplaces, especially during the chilly winters. The fireplace was often the heart of the home, providing both warmth and a place to cook. Trains, powered by steam engines, relied on burning coal to chug along the tracks. These steam locomotives revolutionized travel and trade, connecting distant towns and cities. Think of those iconic steam clouds billowing from the engines. That was coal at work. The sight and sound of a steam train was a marvel of the age. Factories, bustling with activity, used coal to power their machines, creating everything from textiles to toys. The industrial landscape was dominated by the sight of smokestacks. Coal was essential, like the food we eat, keeping people warm, powering transportation and fueling industries. It was the lifeblood of the Victorian economy, driving progress and innovation. Finding and bringing coal to the surface was hard work, done by brave miners in coal mines. Imagine going underground into tunnels deep within the earth. It was dark, damp, and often cramped. Miners used pickaxes and shovels to loosen the coal from the earth. These tools were strong and sturdy, able to break apart the tough coal seams. To move the heavy coal, they used carts on rails, pushed by hand or pulled by ponies. The miners wore simple clothes and hats with lamps to see in the dark tunnels. Their work was tough, but they knew how important coal was for everyone. Section 4. The perils of the pit. Working in the coal mines was, well, dangerous. The tunnels could collapse, trapping miners underground. There was always the risk of dangerous gases building up, making it really hard to breathe. Miners also faced long-term health problems. Breathing in coal dust could lead to a cough and difficulty breathing, a condition known as black lung. It was especially tough for children who worked in the mines because their bodies were still growing. Despite the risks, many people worked in the mines because they needed jobs to support their families. It was a difficult way to make a living. Section 5. Coal's legacy and the rise of cleaner energy. Coal played a massive role in shaping our world. For centuries, it was the backbone of industrial progress, fueling the engines of growth and development. It powered the Industrial Revolution, helping countries build factories, trains, and cities. The black gold, as it was often called, was indispensable in transforming economies and societies. However, burning coal also releases smoke and gases that pollute our air and harm the environment. The dark clouds of pollution have had long-lasting effects on our health and the planet. Today, we are moving towards cleaner sources of energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. These technologies are not only innovative, but also essential for a sustainable future. These sources are renewable, meaning they won't run out like coal, and they are much kinder to our planet. They offer a promising alternative to fossil fuels, reducing our carbon footprint. As we look to the future, we can learn from the past and strive for a cleaner, more sustainable world, using energy sources that protect our planet. Embracing renewable energy is not just a choice, but a necessity for the well-being of future generations.